HeinOnline's Water Rights and Resources is an affordable, comprehensive, and timely collection that is dedicated to understanding the complex interplay of state and federal laws that govern all aspects of water in society. The collection brings together the history of riparian water rights, fundamentally found in the East, and appropriative water rights from the West, highlighting two very different legal systems. This unique collection of more than 2,800 titles across 600,000 pages covers a wide range of issues and includes subject-coded content for simplified searching, including 16 new subjects such as drought and water scarcity, irrigation, water management, and more. Books ranging in date from the 1800s to present, tracing the history of water disputes in the western U.S. and exploring geological differences in water rights. Committee prints and congressional hearings that include the deliberations of Congress to provide insight into issues requiring federal attention and their proposed solutions. Legislative histories that present the journey of a bill as it becomes a law, with all its changes, additions, deletions, and various legislative hurdles. Supreme Court briefs that contain the arguments and positions of parties in the cases. Scholarly articles selected by HeinOnline editors which can be sorted by title, author, most cited, or year, and content from Wells Hutchins, the father of Western water law. Within this database, users can find major Supreme Court cases, including Arizona versus California, dealing with the dispute over the Colorado River, setting the record for 16 hours of oral arguments over 4 days. Peruse content on the Winters Doctrine, stemming from a 1908 Supreme Court case that clarified water rights of indigenous reservations. Explore the Clean Water Act, the primary federal law governing water pollution in the United States, in addition to other famous environmental laws. Why should you subscribe to Water Rights and Resources? Access to water resources fuels tension around the nation. As water becomes a rarer and rarer resource, these tensions will only increase more and more as people want to access a less available resource. With just a one-time payment, you could have access to thousands of government documents, hundreds of related books, and highly editorialized content on this timely subject. What's more, this unparalleled database will be updated regularly, keeping users in the know. Contact us today to find out how you can subscribe to Water Rights and Resources with just a one-time payment. Our representatives are standing by ready to start your subscription access. If your institution already subscribes, check out our help resources and social media for more great overview, tips, and tricks.